must be wondering that what is this pile is all about. Well, I've been working from a long time with something that I'm going to share with you guys. I've been designing few dresses for myself for coming up wedding in the house using old sarees, my mom's and my sister's and stuff like that. So I'm going to share how I have made outfits out of the sarees, so you can take the idea and can use for yourself. Since I'm a fashion designer, I prefer to use these ideas and work on them. Plus they are cheaper. They are really cheaper and cost effective, and they gives best results. So I'm going to show you. See, this was a sari of my mom, like about 25 years old sari, I would say. So I used this sari to make anarkali kurta. I'm going to add the pictures. So this is the kalis we used, and the border which is there on the pallu we used for the upper garment. And now it has front opening, goes like this, and full sleeves. So to add a dupatta on it, I bought a net of the similar color and I used the border on this net, and the dupatta is ready. So it's a floor length dress. It's really amazing. Now I know that no shop has this outfit. I got this. This is a border ka kapda. This whole kapda was border ka kapda. This is border, right? You have to attach it. It was 9-meter border, but I thought to use this kapda, this fabric, to make a kurta, simple kurta. So it is with this neckline, and this is a simple kurta. So this was my mom's sari. She was not using it from a long time. It has a little bit of defect in it, so I preferred to make patiala salwar out of it. I used astar in it because obviously it's sheer fabric. So I made a patiala salwar out of it, and this kurta goes really well with this salwar. Yeah, I have made similar fabrics dupatta as well. So this is the kurta, this is the dupatta, and this is salwar. I bought this sari, a new sari, because I really like the color combination. You would see, I just wore this dress, so I need to sort it out, and I've stitched it myself. See the color, the shades, orange and this yellow. I loved it. I bought this sari, but then I decided to make a dress. When I bought it, I had this in my mind to make a dress out of it, because when you get the fabric dyed, so it's not as fresh as new. So see, now what I did, this is a boat neck. It has this thin shoulder. Can you believe that? No tailor can make this. We made it. This thin shoulder, boat neck, full sleeves, and then I used simple lace, and I cut this lace into pieces to add it here as a design, and I'm done. So I also added a conceal zip on the side so that the fitting goes perfectly fine. And this comes my favorite flare dress. So this is my cousin's sari. She stopped using it, and it has got some stains also that was not going off, so she was not wearing it at all, and she gave it to me 2 years back, and I did not make anything out of it. But now see what I have made, a full flare, circular flare dress. So the sari was having this border, Kota Patti's border. We removed it, then we made a boat neck dress out of it. Then we applied the border here, and the floral patches which were there on the sari, we took them off and we applied here. And on the sleeve, both sides, see the same thing is at the back also, on waist also. It has back opening, and then we have applied the same gotapatti lace all over. And another outfit is done. The last is always saved the best. This is my favorite one. I bought this fabric from Delhi for sari, to make a sari, and then I made a sari out of it. I used to wear that sari on pants. There was a time when we had this, fashion of wearing pant saris. I wore this a lot in a lot of weddings. Then I decided to make a dress out of it, and also I have added Ken in this dress, so it has a puffiness, because this fabric is very much, it has great fall, so I needed a stiff look, so I added Can in this one, so it looks a very sophisticated look and I like